Yes, tell me. Do you all have a graph notebook or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now we will start doing the exercise. Very good. So Asfa is having it. Simran, are you having a graph notebook? Abhiyan?
Yes, sir. Abhiyan is having.
Abhiyan is having. Very good, Abhiyan. अभियान तुम्हारा फेस नहीं दिख रहा है अच्छा दिख गया बहुत खुश है आज अभियान हाउ आर यू
Fine. Sir, how are you?
आई एम आल्सो फाइन तुमको देख के मैं और फाइन हो जाता हूँ सच अ क्यूट फेस
Sir, let's do work. Cut this note.
हाँ हमजा हैज ब्रॉट द ग्राफ नोटबुक वेरी गुड Narayani, you are not having it? कोई बात नहीं बेटा आप आज परचेज कर लीजिएगा एंड डू योर वर्क टुडे एंड यू कैन शो योर वर्क टुमारो ओके भक्ति आर यू हैविंग द ग्राफ नोटबुक
No,
Morning,
sir,
sir.
I am not in the last period, sir, because I am traveling.
Yeah.
Sir, but sir, I have send my sister to bring notebook. So please wait.
Okay. She will bring it just now.
Yes,
Sir, Bhakti
sir.
Your younger
has
sister.
sent in one secret agent.
So what we are doing today?
Bhakti, you have sent your younger sister to bring the graph notebook?
Hello, sir.
No, elder sister.
Elder sister, she is in which class?
Sir, 10th.
7th?
10th.
10th class. Okay, what is her name?
Sir, Shelly Khandelwal.
Sorry?
Shelly Khandelwal.
Kelly. She is in SR only or any other school?
No, in GRM.
She is in GRM. GRM which branch?
Sir, new brand. Sir,
New branch.
yes, sir.
Okay, so
In Dora Road.
Dora Road. Okay. So बड़ी दीदी से काम कराया आपने हैं. So everyone, open page number 177.
Sir, then only Shalini ma'am call him Sherni.
Sorry, who calls sorry, Shalini ma'am क्या sorry, समझा नहीं मैं.
Ma'am, Shalini ma'am call Bhakti Sherni.
शेरनी, शालिनी मैम भक्ति को शेरनी बताती हैं. Why?
Sir, one reason, sir, because of her sister's name, and sir, another reason, sir, she wears this tiger one sweater.
अच्छा. That is why. Yeah. So Bhakti is शेरनी.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Narayani, you can purchase your graph. All those, everyone, those who don't have the graph notebook right now, you can see what we are doing here in this period. Then you purchase it today only, and you complete your work today, and then you can show me tomorrow in your class. Okay, when I have my period tomorrow, you can show it.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I
Okay,
have
sir.
a big one. Sir, I have a big one. So, sir,
So
like,
you all
can
can
I
borrow
do-
from Asfa because she is having a big one. If you don't have it, you can borrow from Asfa. She is ready to give.
Sir, I was telling that, sir, can I do question like over here and then the other one over here? Or just do it in this way?
You can
in
do it.
landscape?
You can do it. You can do the writing part on that side where you have lines, and
Yes, sir.
the bar graph part you can do on the graph paper side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's why your jacket is looking very nice. Today you are sitting somewhere else.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, sir, I am sitting in my room.
You are sitting in
On
your
my study table.
otherwise, where do you sit?
Sir, otherwise I sit in my grandmother's room.
Okay. Very nice. Okay, page number 177, all of you. Exercise 22.1. First question. First of all, before starting with the question, I will explain what is this data about. इसका meaning क्या है जो यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है सब कुछ. All of you, I would suggest you all to read the question. Make a bar graph to show the following information regarding the number of children who played cricket on 5 days of the week. Meaning क्या है इसका? So there are some children on Monday. Can you tell me, look at the table given, and can you tell me on Monday how many children played cricket on Monday?
12.
12.
12.
Very good.
So now I have graph copy.
Okay, आ गई मेरी graph copy.
Yes, sir.
ग्राफ कॉपी मंगवा ली है. दीदी को थैंक यू बोला नहीं बच्चे ने. नहीं बोला.
Yes, sir.
बोल दिया. नहीं बोला.
We also have to write question.
No, beta, you
sir.
don't have to write. No, you don't have to write the questions. Okay, and now look at the table again and tell me how many students, how many children played cricket on Thursday? How many children played cricket on Thursday?
14.
It's a Tuesday.
Thursday.
Thursday, sir, 14.
14 children played cricket on Thursday. How many children played cricket on Friday?
17.
17.
17. Very good. So the data which is given here, ये जो table आपको given है, the data that is given in the form of a table. Have you all understood what is the meaning of this table? इसका समझ में आ गया आपको meaning क्या है?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
तो सबसे पहली बात तो ये है, you should understand what is the meaning. तो समझ में आ गया meaning. Now you will draw a bar graph. So before drawing it, first of all, you will make two axes like this in your copies.
Sir, we have to make.
बेटा अभी नहीं बनाना है, मैं आपको सारी इंस्ट्रक्शन दूंगा, मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनिएगा. First is, I will draw it on the board. You all will not draw it right now. You all have to just look at the board. कुछ नहीं मतलब बोर्ड नहीं, अपने मोबाइल की स्क्रीन पर, मोबाइल लैपटॉप whatever you are having. So you have to see on the screen what I am doing here. Later on, I will give you time to do it in your graph copies. So right now you don't have to do anything. You have to draw only using a pencil. Use a pencil and a scale to draw. Don't use a pen. It is compulsory to use a pencil only. Okay. So now look at the board, all of you. Don't draw it right now. I will give you time. So this is known as y-axis, and vertical axis is known as y-axis. Then there is a horizontal axis. The horizontal axis is known as x-axis.
X-axis.
Yes. X-axis and y-axis. यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. So x and y. Now at the bottom you will write 0 here, and then you will leave space of one block. There are blocks made in your graph copies. There are some dark lines and there are some light lines. That means some thick lines and some thin lines are there in your graph copy. You can see them. Some thin lines are there, some thick lines are there. So these axes, y-axis and x-axis, ये दोनों चीजें आप thick lines के ऊपर बनाएंगे with the help of pencil. जो thick वाली lines है उनके ऊपर draw करना है. Okay. So after drawing these, अभी नहीं बनाना है. Okay. Just look at the board. Then leave one block, and after leaving one block, you will make a dash like this. dash. Then again leave a block and make a dash. So keep on doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think इतने में काम हो जाएगा. So now one block I am taking equal to two children. One block equal to two children मैं ले रहा हूँ यहाँ पर. If I take one block equal to one child, it will become a very big graph. So it will be very difficult to draw in your graph copies. So I am taking one block equal to two children. So that means ये जो first dash मैंने यहाँ पर लगाया है, in front of it I will write 2. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sir, how many blocks you have taken to make
You
y-axis?
can take any 9, 10, 11, but at least 9 should be there. Minimum 9 should be there. 9, 10, 11, any number of blocks you can take. Okay. So 2, 4, then 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So like this, I will do the numbering. After every block, make a dash and write numbers like this. Now, what are these? These numbers are representing number of children. So I will write here, do the labeling, number of children. Okay. Then on the x-axis also I will do something similar, but this time I will not write numbers. So one block, leave one block and make a dash. Keep on doing this like this. So one block I will leave, and on the second block below the second block I will write Monday, MON. Only short form I am writing because there is not much space. So Monday के लिए मैंने MON लिख दिया. Then leave one block again. At below the next one I will write Tuesday, TUE, short form again. Leave one block, WED. Leave one block, THU for Thursday. Then again leave a block, and then FRI for Friday. Okay. Clear? Like this. So after doing this, what are these? These are days of the week. Days of week. We all know these are days. कौन से day पर कितने students ने यहाँ पर cricket खेला? This is all about the graph. So on Monday, now I will look at the table. You all will tell me. On Monday, how many children played cricket?
12.
12. So I will start from here and go and take the height of the bar, making the bar. So I will take the height of the bar in front of 12. 12 के बिल्कुल exact सामने, till 12 I will take the height, and then I will bring it down and end it here. So this is the first bar. Then for Tuesday, how many students played cricket on Tuesday?
16.
So on Tuesday, I will start from here and take the bar till 16 and then end it here. Tell me for Wednesday.
10.
10. 10 children played cricket on Wednesday. तो मेरा थोड़ा ये बार जो है वो टेढ़े मेढ़े हुए हैं, but that's because I'm not using a scale. You all have to draw this using a scale only. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
10. Wednesday is 10. So I have taken it till 10 and then bring it down. Then Thursday.
14.
14 on Thursday. Thursday 14, and then Friday finally.
17. 17. 17.
17 के लिए जरा एक बात यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखिए, 17 is not written here, तो मैं कहाँ लेके जाऊंगा? Between 16 and 18. 16 and 18 के
Yes,
exactly बीच में I will take the bar somewhere between 16 and 18. 16 and 18 के exactly बीच में लेके जाऊंगा मैं. Okay. Between
Okay,
16
sir.
and 18 for 17. Okay. 17 कहाँ आता है? Between 16 and 18. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So I will take this bar between 16 and 18, and then I will break it down. So this is my bar graph completed. And one more thing you have to do, you have to write the title of the bar graph also. What is the title of the bar graph? Number of children who played cricket. बस यही आपको लिखना है. Number of children who played cricket. So this is the title of the bar graph. Title. Okay. Now I am showing you after making it how it will look like. वो भी मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. Just wait for a minute. After drawing it, it will look like.
Sir, now we have to write draw.
Just wait, बेटा. एक मिनट रुको बस. So after making it, it will look like this. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, अच्छा बना है.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
You can see all the labeling is also there.
Yes, sir.
So that till top it is made, and you can see the title is also written at the top. What is the title written at the top? क्या लिखा है title?
Number of children who played
Number of
cricket.
children who played cricket. So this is the title at the top, and then there is y-axis, there is x-axis, and then the bars. Okay, understood? You can take help from this if you need any help. Otherwise, you can, I know you can draw it on your own also. So start doing it, all of you.
Sir, we have to draw this with a pen.
पेंसिल. अरे मर गए, सारी कहानी खत्म हुई. ये पूछ रहा है कहानी स्टार्ट कहाँ से हुई थी. बेटा, you have to draw it with a pencil. Okay.
Okay.